Hello everyone and welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. We're continuing our UsersWP series where we're covering everything step by step from setting up UsersWP and creating login and registration forms to managing user profiles, member directories, settings, and much more. Before watching this video, I highly recommend checking out our previous video in this series as it will help you better understand the steps we'll be covering today. You'll find the link in the video description. In our last video, we explored the different users' WP settings and learned what each setting does. In today's video, we're going to focus on users' WP page settings. We'll learn about the default pages created by users WP and see how we can manage and customize these pages. So, let's get started. First of all, let's go to the page settings within the Users WP General tab, where all our default Users WP pages are listed. Along with this, we can also assign pages here to the specific functions they are meant for. By default, Users WP assigns them, and they work automatically. If we need to create a custom page later or change the pages and assign a different one to any page type, we can do that from here. We can also edit the page by clicking here. First, we will look at the user's WP user profile page. We clicked on the edit page. The user's WP profile page is displayed here via a shortcode, which appears in this way. At the same time, we can also build it using Gutenberg blocks. For instance, we can type here user's WP account profile. If we use this block here, we won't need the shortcode. And this page will provide us with the same output, which will be easily visualized here. We can add it here like this. Similarly, we have our registration page, which is currently being rendered by the default Users WP Register shortcode. We can also use the Users WP Gutenberg block to register by using the Register Gutenberg block and view it. We showed it here, we did it in register because we are already logged in here, so the register page won't appear there. So for a logged out user, we will show you how our register page appears. Right, our next page is the login page. The login page is also currently being rendered via a shortcode, which we can also render here via a Gutenberg block. Through this block, the user's WP login, a simple login form is shown to us on the simple users WP login page. The next page is our account page. The account page is also currently being added via a shortcode, which we can also create using our Gutenberg block. The user's WP account, which will have tabs and will also have access to the account editor. This is our account page. Right, in the same way, we can manage and display our change password, forgot password, reset password, users list, and users list items. Our profile page currently doesn't show any tabs. If we want to add a tab to our profile page here, we will go to the Users WP Form Builder and go to Profile tabs. Currently, not a single profile tab has been added here. We can add our available, predefined, or custom fields here according to the tab. If we add the Post tab here, we can add it and our post will be shown here. Right, in the same way, we can also add a User Comments tab here. So a User Comments tag or tab is also added here. We can add a Comments tab here in the same way. So that was all about Users WP pages and how we can enable, disable, or manage our pages via Gutenberg blocks or shortcodes. So that's all for today's video. We also provide community website development services. If you need any help regarding that, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with our expert. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.